Hey, how's it going, everybody? So we're going to do a little bit of work today on wrapping up the drawer system.
Hey, if you're interested in helping support the channel, head on over to longcreekoverland.com. Check out the Mood Scale merch. We've got shirts, we've got stickers. Hey, we really appreciate it.
System. Let me open it up. So we're going to kind of wrap this up, this project today. We're going to wrap that up, and I didn't do it sooner because I really wanted to live with it for a little while, see if there's anything I wanted to change before I went ahead and did kind of the finishing touches. So I've had this set up for about a year, and I'm loving it. I really am. I like this setup a lot. So we're going to go ahead and put the final touches on it. I need to pull everything out, and we're going to wrap it up and finally get done with this thing. All right, so we got all of our pieces pulled out of the back of that, and so what I'm going to do is use this it's custom accessories. I bought this at O'Reilly Auto Parts store. It's just it's a kind of automotive carpet. One of the applications, like it shows on the picture, is doing a speaker box. So it's just, I think this will match pretty good. It should look pretty decent, and I think it'll be pretty easy to apply. So this is a 36 by 74 inch roll, and that should be, I think, plenty to cover everything that we're going to cover here. Then to attach that, I went ahead and got some of this 3M super trim adhesive. So we're going to use that and just stretch it out and really, attach it to our boards here. Simple as that, right? Before we do that, though, I need to cut out a couple handles in the bottom pieces of plywood. That way, whenever I go to access the storage underneath, I've got a handle to grab hold of. So first thing we're going to do, cut out those handles, and then we'll attach some carpet. All right.
Really what I'm going for on this carpet is not to be stingy with it. Really just get a good coverage on it. If I have too much and I need to cut off excess, I'll do that. That's fine. But really just want to make sure everything gets good and covered, Then with this spray on adhesive, you got to shake it really good. If you don't get it good and shook up, it just doesn't really spray right. But then you want to be about 6 to 12 inches away from whatever you're spraying. I find with this, you really want to give it a fairly good coverage. And then after you get that on, pull it good and tight, work out any bulges in the fabric. And then it's really a good idea to put something weighted on top of it and let it sit for like 5 to 30 minutes. So yeah, so far it's going real well. I'm really liking the look, or how it's going to look. I think it's going to match perfectly in the back. So really just completely wrapping one board, and then the second one, I decided I'm just going to do the bottom, and then I'm going to wrap it up and tuck it underneath this box. I think this is really going to make it look good and look finished in the back there. So super excited. All right, so while I'm waiting for
the rest of this to kind of dry. What I've got is a couple of hinges here. And these were just some hinges I grabbed at Lowe's. But what I want to do for this platform on the what's on the left side, the side that doesn't have the box, is put a hinge down there so that it'll hinge up and down. Makes sense. So, but while I'm waiting on that, I'm going to go ahead and throw these on the board inside the Jeep, line it up with this one, and we'll get that all sorted out. Woo! All right. Well, tell you that made it a much tighter fit. Let's see. So, let me see if I can brighten that up enough for you. Boy, it all blends so well. Wrong way. All right, look at that. I tell you that that carpet ended up matching perfectly. Oh yeah, I like it. That is now looking exactly the way I wanted it. Yeah, so there we go. I don't know. I've been needing to finish that up for a while now. You know, I decided I was gonna go ahead and keep it that way. I don't know, it's quite a ways back. You know, I still am trying to consider doing some different stuff inside the box, like I don't know, something. But this this is much cleaner, much better looking with the black carpet. Can't be happier with it. So hey, hope you enjoyed this. This was a short video. Uh, just wanted to show you the kind of finishing touches I was going to put on the rear end of this thing, and that's it. I mean that's finished as far as I'm concerned. So now I've got access here. I can put my fridge over there. If I need to get underneath there, I can pull the fridge out, put it back, all that good stuff. And then my drawer for my then I got my drawer and my cooking surface area. So once again, you got that. Put the little stand up. We're set. We're ready. All right. Hey, I hope you liked this, enjoyed this video. I know this has been a series that's been going on a while. The series on this drawer system, on this rear storage system setup deal that I've been doing. If you've been watching all the videos, hey, appreciate it. Really what I hope is that you get some ideas from this. I'm not saying this perfect setup or this is the way you got to do it, but hopefully this gives you some ideas, some things to think about, and some options for you if you're trying to figure out what to do with the rear end of your Cherokee. So hey, if you liked the video, smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe before you leave. I'd really appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one. All right.